Ena minya papa bi so a ose wo baabi wo US e fra ho Minnesota minim samabo ne yie dia menko ho da wo mienu no documents na mo send ni ani na no wo nim wo ho they send the same documents to me on WhatsApp. Ena mi tu mi kana me de ade no tu mi mail na mi bi o me machine so na ye kese me kan document ni wie ye no me re ho ye. When him say Africa, Gemfa Bibi Antunchen. Any kwan say ye fairly. Any kwan you say as I see a fairly. And I want to thank my producer, Tigo. Say, o boss abukuna. Opening Rodney Walter Troy, you know. How Europe underdeveloped Africa. Tigo Makanwi. Me sha niya me wasa book nim. Me rock started we hoba. Na me share documents na sa papa form me nu send ma me na. Na me hu say look. E wo mu say there are external factors. Mejetum external factors. Factors in yeden. Yes ye ho nyeden. Akasefo no na won de wo yeden wo be ye kese e na yen yeda ye ketwa na ketwa na ye kwaso yi. Ho na menti ase no. External factor ben. Part of America external factor work against them ana. E yeden yen de right from the beginning. Adano Doctor Kinsley Ajay Kasembi say nan kompeso be kan asa yadwe no problem wo ho metaka sa asem no so bi ya koyete say ebi before yen sheda nwene yie it won't mean medical doctor pa no your minister of state anywhere in Africa obet me dintra when him say ntro pa na okay and so now akoswa say obet dintro or a medical doctor or a politician in say so Jimmy and see when you know the day as so Jimmy and see am fan nim dia politics wa Africa. Yeah, they are dream biara na ye politics wa Africa. Eti ye wo man a continental. Se si ai won wa wasua de wo nimde. Ananya de suampa na wasua suahunu ama na benya nimde no. Sa nkrofo no ye mfa won bu man. Ye de won wa wodi atam kan se hunu nyansa bia nim otimi ye dede won ye de won bu man. Documents na papa for sending me about researcher. Obiaye about Africa, the ministers, anyone MPs, the quality of African ministers and MPs. As I see, publishes our documents, no. Ye nini urane kasano mayen kwanya. As I say, publish. But what the mamin kwa humano sunamene Dr. Thomas Boabeng. Or a senior lecturer at University of Ghana Business School. Or no about the policy issues or a specialist. Menyen ntekura say why ye adwuma bi ama e bibi man pen. Why the failures of Africa? Dr. Boabeng Boye. Doc, what me kan machi?
Senior captain.
Now adama bibia e boko de.
Yeah, because
and go for yare ya be ubo ho ban de.
So dia fi aka ho. Nti edi nti se ya amampanyi de ku yeni nyina so. So le ya no bi choma konye da so ti enkanya hodi.
Wadama Africa didn't the debia na ye fili.
Yeah, so my mini can fa konye so na mentia wati fu nyani abafo no nyina. never just Ohuyamobo. And okay, yes, you said that if you listen, what you feel they are not doing. No, we wait like I said, didn't be a challenges, be and obstacles now. I be brave. I'm saying, we not boss, be brave, be a chief woman between actually in Tia, Sanya Mano, be brave to you. Dear, it didn't come back when I say, I'm the what can you want so much, and I said, an alcano, I didn't agenda no, something for some of the baby man. In our coin, then parliamentary clerks, and so my young no more a chair. And you know, you're not to Hokaka, a hold Macacra. Now, who should be visa in Tia 9 time Kuyino? They didn't kind of. The crime of us or model car again. Policy no chromo formulating no cry na questionable.
Hey.
Oh yes. My agenda 2023. Which me I say young to me I say it was dead at the isn't that a wukura, but the problem to not start you can say no document. One. When say a bra almost celebrity and I celebrating 50 years of AU, which was 2013. And almost a chinua, almost when you didn't have the sate at the fufu, which was a very good idea. Now, we 5 years when so you are now here in 50 years. The first question is, almost time some policy together, and the person 50 years of Cabot. And to one more could you know, heads of state in representing 60 years, 70 years of policies now, they have challenges almost take what will happen 10, 20 years to come or make me a tear here. You can't better now for that period, no, never involved. And you know, yeah, the other to also be emfa and mobra. No, whom you may be a target in your maybe when you go. Now, policy document name will quite fast to Kabu no question. Another question is our document on say most of Omo put two policies together where the ruling regimes. And here you hear Mampenida da Mahama Tensu. Until delegation of course, almost for opposition for back 1 million, but most of them and the party leaders no. Uncle document in the boom, the same applies to good luck. Implementation starting at Abainu. The question is what was policy they are talking without the involvement of Nipana Wabe take over now will be due or minus. What do you expect? One only put manifesto what promising Nema why only into one idea what's now. I could say the cash at all, so my pension I say a nation. A nation on memory sanity, but not such a critical policy. And you know, by not involving them now with 2 years' time, 3 years' time after them, I'm going to say some implementing now. Major, most of them, because Nigeria see the change government, Ghana. Now, okay, I didn't even know you were in my parents, you didn't. And in any other driver idea, no, she said, Nanoku for the way you be and yes, or ye Pan-Africanist or any Jihua or Pan or Bayer or Power yet. And that is one thing I will say the implementation and Kuyinwa. And these are some of the critical things. Again, some targets from Keka, virtual investing, then the Sanama will be no Keka. What informed that? Data bank. Research Papa Bank. I'm a political research now, no more. Okay, we will be on TV. I think political party be our research officers. But I don't know they won't inform anything objective. Until the most critical thing elsewhere is to use people who understand research. One may better say, hey, I never worked out saying, you have the experiences elsewhere. We have population, we have educational level near the and Yamana can be an intimate. And that is why target and grab the grata make him be as you say, or the age. Man, Captain, this is one of the major. Your debt can will be formulated policies in the bring yet either they don't exist or yet. We be follow on data via World Bank, no acquire me buy us research via IMF and NGO, no. That's what they fall on. You don't commission people to go with non-partisan ideas. Say, I'm penny and mamma and so. Now, young political reasons. In fact, on that issue in there, we are one of the major, or these are some of the major reasons why the policies don't see much success.
So, Bani say, dear, yan day na ye, Mammy solution.
Oh, dear, when you dear Canadian, minimum can have us with my ye. Yeah, can be two documents, no. Nothing I know me too, crowd to take a target into the Edican Yamish.
I am also married 10 years, no, 7
years. Oh, by Nina, it's the first 10 years in the Queen. And as the first 10 years, to kind of target out to a first one. 20 years, as no higher budget 1 year. So they Ghana, na targeting in a won't limit TBA. Now we are 10 years budget, dear DNBC. 20 years, no DNBC, and now 10 years DNBC. In the first 10 years, 9 years, unless you want to go back and view it and be realistic, you need to have, it's very nice to be ambitious, but not something that you are insisting. You are shameful for. In fact, if you look at implementation and monitoring and evaluation section of the document now, almost say all member countries should adopt and integrate this document into their national plans, budget, and etc., etc., etc. From 2013, almost 30%, oh, yeah, budget, oh, yeah, development plan. In fact, as I said, they should ensure that all political parties will manifesto document, you know, and in your soul. Yeah, I'm missing and I know the former president who call around for input or they put manifesto together. How many times now see agenda 2063? Oh, no. Into the mechanisms that they are called concourse for me. They are motivating for Sabaya in Nano and Kayadibaya Jumano. Anyhow, because one many panels. In fact, as my can you crown what when you are over who they were. We share a parliamentary collection. Free on international. Significant number of them. Majority of them not only are aware of the content of the document.
Oh, how? AU Parliament clerks.
Clerks, you know, they are supposed to parliament, you know. Now, I'm making laws. I'm at me at this. I'm we see and I say document to a human.
No one aware of the content.
What the Obian could not be any keke. Ubisan also kind of share them pay attention. And the MPs themselves, as we speak now, these are almost the same kind document.
Wow.
And this document will say, the group lead and finance and economic planning. Of course, almost by the parliament, the government delegation was dominated by that group. This almost say, what is the meaning and the import of the document, the policy? I koto says coming now to Guyana. So, anti Bibia, who have another more try, finance minister, and what can Sabia, you bet me achieve agenda 2023. I pick and choose. Bibia, I pick here. I say, an issue and coincide with what is in, and on IFA. But documents now indicate clearly say, and then I was a year. The policy guidelines across levels. In the Ghana and your national level, local government units, and I may students will be on my research into it. Me akra maybe. We call a whole district assembly, metropolitan assembly. There is not a single page guideline I say because of agenda 2020. Oh yeah, deal with for we to home. Nothing. And you know, at the end of the day, we can't revive on the same thing. Yeah, we never, your budget will be So, and you know, I am very difficult. So many things. How can you also by intercontinental highway now? Oh, and bet me, I bet me start here for baby. Now, do what about someone Yabende? Why you have Ghana, for Nigeria, before the not for to go to Ghana? Do what kind of say? Bende. And you know, you don't even have. We are not working as a team, a continent, you know. Francophone for one and and North African for they don't want to be part of Africa. And I can see how we be and that is the reason why. If you look at how EU works, problems. Multiple common budget, common this. How there are challenges. And Yama Baby, Omo colonial masters, almost on my point. I mean, it's a idea. Maybe say they agree, you better say, oh, you would be a realistic and the end town cracker. Not the academy, empire shut up for there. But for now, they said you be a winner, and this should also inform all of us. At the national level, at the local government level, see your policies are. Policy must say you are one fan. What by the Gua, one fan. What started project you when say won't mean and I want by Negu. Say, we could have only pan out so better you. And to start here, and many pan share vision. Cronipa, necessarily one will be the seat 1 year. I never gain, I never see, I never can say, or better because I got I don't want to also I ain't already humble. Young, my man, your kid, your 20 and that is the reason I come around this country. We have over 10,000 completed development projects in Ghana. On my idea, we don't know basically the anyway, Jai, and I know from 1974 or so, hospital near Jai, who was what I saw from was sensible for MPP back who a giant DC here. To that say, even within NDC itself, and now MPP itself, we talk about study at the project here. Only one party no not buy back, buy no better to us. And then it's a very bad attitude. As you are sharing and collecting a million, you barely say, documenting, to the SOPA finding out, investigating how much money Ghana spent. No accommodation, almost pay them, almost air ticket, almost call back to put that document together.
But sir, total cost at that a unit says $17.3 million.
I on the lower side. When I make a choice, almost be a body. Oh, yeah, you are wishing at his schedule. Now, Angarati, if the artist is ready.
Mamendo as a doctor, Boabin, BBS Sato Safra. It is a person who Kratana Moye and Neboa 180 pages. Ofa covers cover when you moon cover which in 180 pages. 22 Nifluma, Aka 178. Would be a first page now a blank she neso. Until Abaka 177. And the children so na be back cover no and so a blank she need back and yinina teno so nka ho enti we divided $17.9 million divided by 176 and it says a book now what try no so pages 176 pages no AU4 say what is $17.9 million na yeah the cost of Adena Mukoye. But the main call Ahumano Sunamene Dr. Kinsley J. Oisra, Cape Coast University. Yes, sir. Jumedia Yasi, Yanana, and then a course. Because it's a you may be able to know. Yan Dr. Kinsley J. and the baby. Dog, whatever come at you.
Yeah, media.
No, what I want to say.
Ready to me, yes, anyway.
Good. Wadama. Ya said media ya sema na bedru baby na wo beka external factors e kotia yenti e ma bibrem yenti min kwanim. Wadama to asoma me.
Yo, so ye ka external the edika na minchia wetifo. Na you can external factors naturally say the African boom. Now ya share the free amanoni you can say vertical ebeha Africa for na ansana no ma memfa Africa enema kitikiti bia eno so ehayen ni no pe ne mako external no be external meka two things nearly. Okay. You share Africa, young Kasa. Making kind be Plato now Socrates, a student, Greece for no, and also Aristotle, a teacher. Now, Ottoman say 428, 427, where I could see 348, 347 BC. Now, Yansa or the Jay, or say continent and now so mind the Arabia. As I say, the kind of Nipamian sa one you walk a minimum, one tibia. Now, Nipamian son, but a friend say appetitive. Ubia or Pibri when you're Diani, CK, DNA, or the Nisabum, your funya, no deal. Not a funya, no deal. Bacono. Bacunso, courageous, or I book a share, or what could draw. And about yet knowledgeable, young Sanfo. And he, or see, so per se, mine, and now say Africa quite anymore. Appetitive no should go into production. As a set or no or yebribia, it will my diani be, it will my sika, it will my bribia, what me be. Courageous no, as I said, would the security agency. Knowledgeable no, and as I say, so, Obia will limit only the show mine so. So we tear ye now cofa appetitive, the open bribia, you know. The government more we are no. Yes. So courageous and also a ruler democracy at watching. Knowledgeable no or no human say or best of mine or bekoyi or hunim dear. Africa a problem ye. Appetitive for no money whisker. Or mona etimi cost of election, cost of so beginner say candidature, cost a woman, so between me higher vigilante groups near there, or me will be. It's one be ruling any way. Africa internally, the problem back on. But could be where Africa suffer. The four traps. Also, what kind of water roading? Will show how Europe underdeveloped Africa. That's right. The person who be a kind penny be a friend of Paul Collier. Paul, the obit me as Pelly. Collier me a Collier. The kind of grab me and the PhD. As a man, catch rain. I say Africa. And woman, my money being a friend of the bottom billion. The bottom billion? Yes. BOTTOM. Billion. Okay. Now, I see little biwo if we are seeing more. Onyano the ebe kosa a bed in party be free onyano. So ba Africa, I see Africa. Four traps to be an EGGA, an MFD, an EGGA. The kind the conflict trap. The civil wars. Not ethnic conflicts near the Awiswa. Political conflict, you could twaba, or February class war, or class one to Quincy Agriculture. Or Koya yet twaba, the HDC Agriculture 2007. Share Kenya as a municipal. Share Liberia, share Sierra Leone, share Rwanda, share Burundi. Ye, ye, no. You talk to me, the natural resource trap. And so last week, was it Monday? Now, Kase Ghana, oil a yetu, gold a yetu, yen diamond, yen manganese. ukeni nyina bom ye timber ye cha ye kokwa ye produce no ye keni nyina bom a sen ne yenya mining sector no ekofo fira brochi ene be mine maye on di nyina ko Kwame Nkrumah mpese ye kom mili ye gold ewa brochi nti usi bribi anka ebe refine ye gold no wo ha ewo takwa aye white elephant I see hosisia the natural resource trap sikano ayenya no ye tisi ye two diamond wo ha ye two gold wo ha ye two oil wo ha nenso sikano ntra ha ekwa abonten ebio eye landlocked with bad neighbors. African countries be omo ye landlocked no ye countries a epona ho nti on the on person won kompo no a ati so fa country do say Burkina Faso or the name of Ghana ekwa abonten no sa landlocked country no se wo hwe amanye etwa ne ho ehia na won nyina ye hiafo a oman sa nso be yo hiani ati say ohia eyensa poverty is contagious. It is coronavirus. The chill oman bi no oman bi benwa. It me chino. It will share Burkina Faso. Amaya twa ne ho ehia nyina ye hiafo. We share Uganda sa eti ho nyina ye hiafo. Uko Europe, Switzerland or landlocked. But she amaya twa ne ho ehia. Ho nyina ye sikafo. Eti Switzerland e sikani. Example back one with the man. I say final one no bad governance. The nipa share and so on. One share one day, one is selfish. Master, we share we are same one. A nipa ye very good leaders no one year japadibia. We are Antigana Hana Kwame Nkrumah one chamber cry any dia. Unyebi. Only dear today. Because we are one fee. Now be who say Ghana sika and I want the ISA Jumana Maum, no Busia, no mine ebre. And the sad traps 9 say in free and swap a bed in Africa, Yabekoyanim. Medianu Siho, Nefi Mashe, external factors.
Pachoko.
External factors, no, ye baby can shit. Senior. Abofunu kasa ehunu yen on the can buy e be fine say ye enkoa ekoye afi raw materials enyema ye gold ye bibia Ramadan fu bi no ye PhD in America now see macro yenko Birmingham Palace na gold wo ho yenko je from there ibisa na sa den a o see Birmingham Palace gold that ho esi ho ni nyina that ho no a edibo ho adwa no if you Ghana nti yenkoje ye na misrisa but my been ho a ma hu se sanity it say abrochie fo aye yi a enema a mo be fa na ha no no mo di nyansa to ho no e ka ho na mo aye yi edoso but me twaso no you will be a friend of world system theory. External factors in the no. World system theory no say. We are seno aye wo no. Ya chemu miensa. Mu miensa ya che no, we di kan no ye friend call for no. One ni the G8 no aye wuti won kan no. Ya won ye G7, ya no aye G20, on the be a room. One ni take decisions. And no free what ye war semi-periphery. One go for a from second world. Brazil, Taiwan, South Korea, ni one year come the Asian tigers. One a train on ba oh sorry. Any what the periphery. One ye yen a here for in Africa, Nina Kaho, we the South Africa Fimo, ya Kenya a Kaho. Na it didn't so Southeast Asia, I want so come. Sanko for yen, I come Ghana Kahono. Ye near no ewa manium, ewa via manium, and tea the cocoa price only determine my aim. oil OPEC and ehwe mpanimfo sika yɛde wiase ye kokobɔ mubusia with why institutions no ba kokra ni ha ni nyina ɛwɔ Europe and America eti wokɔbɔ busia wa amefo a ti sɛ wokɔ if they saying America and I say wokɔ Geneva open the World Bank ti sɛ wokɔ omu na determine how much to give to the poor if you say ultimi enye sika enchen won eti won na determine ye bibiara enti ye dane won ye wo bibia fe no neo-colonialism ye independence and ye political independence but one for economic independence and kayen ho eti tilia no ko ojina kwantia enu ntina ye ti o mayemu tamini wo ye research ye generate data na data ne ka se aban na dia wo ye ne enya obeye NDC ni ana so obeye MPP ni because etia ta party si ba kon but if you World Bank and IMF badia ene no kre ta no mu dia ye en na won sisi schools akese universities ene niema e attractive e wa brochire enti ene yenye slaves bio one faship mesi ho emfa ye nkosiri ye ya na yeko na yakoye slaves na ukwa brochire a matra ho kakra na wo hwe niema abibifo a ho famu a na eya ho eya mi bisa mi students say mudu do sen na mu wi school a mu betina mai mu a masa letimi nya 90% a won intra ha won nyina peso woko na e show you baby a mi ko school a brochire ye before ani ye friends orientation 150 the whole university in Africa na final day no on draw friends continent ni nyina enti baby a free no akogina America fo akogina won dia Europe fo akogina dia yensu akogina dia on free Australia no me ade obi akogina ne dia so na opani no bisa se na mu school na opesa ukoye adwuma masa kai miensa nipa miensa ene yegina yine so Africa so wonyina etukoye bi obi akogina Europe bi akogina America dodo na America ni Europe e ka miensa to be frank with you yes 6 na na yo me class yewe mi nkwana na msa ba Ghana obi aka ho eti ibisa se nipa no a ni nyansa no akosua de no hunu de ye se de nkroma akosua ye hunu de ye a de be ye ni me na yakoka do kire ye mma no adentia ebisa wo ba wo adwen pa wo pese wo de bo akora e be ka se wonye wo non political party bi o man ye timi so won kogina platform so enye dede be ye hunu se wo a party bi afa wo adwen kra ye useless if you say obi em fro the boy ni more mine the problem kesi ni bi na no external factor oma bibiare wa brochire no echen yen Africa ha ye die we di obi oni say so wo hwe after World War II they wanted to see why ebe me yakoso ayenkwada ba ko ni say the Marshall Plan after Second World War, omushiemu na ushiemu no and what IMF and what World Bank sabre no na International Bank for Reconstruction and Development war ninti na obiara ubetimi yenye sika na war technology a wodi be develop o man no na ekire se ese ma obosia se IMF ehwese bosia no be sen tia near regulations ni abia odi be manage sika no akaho besine 1945 besine ene ye di sika bi si ho se eno ni dollar eno na ye international means of exchange enti wo sha pound sterling or euro exchange dollar and so dollar no an you use it is si ho 1945 say no na enye sa enti ye ti o man we African we sika wo kan wo local currency more. We need just $100. It is a California war or my mono, but not radio swap. Say dollars. Say, Oko High will be dying cry, you could $2 million. You really Kwakusi, a brophobia 1 year, and Libra, and so you many ha, as I say, Ipanuya, Busuno cry intimate $100. And I said $200 cry intimate, and so you could see a BBR, $1. Yet also be a junior. Yakwaje free abrochire anasa abrochire fo ade ye mfe no ye de adwene no ya toache no broni dwene enyum odwene broni ayo obi a clairvoyant e brofo no obi a politically odwin kwa enim so ochina chi we de min kanti aban bi dem ma mi misa question we say senya ya de we na ba and Uncle Free free SHS for you. On travel social way. And I admissions. They say double track until only a double in the university. And she said, Bailey, I in university more, I didn't receive more fame. I want to be the BC. A tea, San you know, and where I make Kaya bang. Say, I buy universities no more. As you say, oh my, you near Juma, Obi SHS or Koye, Obi SHS one couple here, Obeko University. Enco University, no, couple, maybe one qualifies Obey Saniman. Would you filling stations a woman on it or Ebu fuel? My research be from Accra to Takrady. The highest paid. 500 cities. No crown, just obeying station newer. A teeny pianisa. And the make will be a per se Oko University. So be a per se Oko University there. And now preparation being the university, they receive Sanko phoning. And they Utimiko class about which any probably 200, 300 idea. Now we move a do 600, 700, a dino him. And when you did say, Abrofuni, you come say, if I will be no prepare, say, or how Biara and Koha and Kofa and Koha Biara, and I think of how Biara Emma. And I don't know, now Medica Kabakubia. Abrofono omum paying ye say be ye no ase nemum omum my direction on the my and tiaka it IMF amount loan fine amount loan the fe no agi omo expect and a beba omo be share on be direct omo wo anu mo aba wo anu ma bisa se omo ba sen sika no mu sen no mo sadeko. It's a loan no ye amount there, but almost supervise GB. The would be no anyway.
Hey, Simon,
I'm telling you, I expect we fee. I am we be me with the fee. So now, my main share say my share say IMF for. We panwa ya mobile ya show mo ages. Kola. No more be directed president when you say. Oh, that's all about it's your uncle. It's your uncle. It's a loan why the bema. What could it be? Kakrakapa loan song, but in actual fact, idea enquiring we na would that dear would done one. And near way a binum. Dear will be no. Let me know a fragmentation. Yes, Africa. Abrofona succeed. Berlin Conference, 1884-85. And Omochiche mo partitioning. And we African media. Then so the who is on count. And your francophone, lesophone, anglophone, really a come. Achiche mo. You can't see a baby echo. And you say any. And to me, so you have $1, you see echo. And now, mining in an institution, it's also saying so. EU, OAU, a team in 1963. No, say no, Mekase Watim. Major Ema, Kwame Nkrumah ni Selassie Muhammad T, and he said, Ebebuama Africa, mining in independence. 55 countries of Africa will be independent. And the mandate I had the asa. Say. And then agenda be basis say, yet you are not before I their brain. A bad resources are massa, you will be chain continent beer. Your resources a chain continent beer. About human resource. Which are continent Africa to me produce 2 secretaries general. So also can secretary general, sir. Mimiko school ye train me say min can say secretaries general. But who can secretary general, sir? Ubi enchu. Ye produce me back of ye man. AU etio. Emma Rwanda ye kunye husa. Ye say America. Any Europe, everybody, any UN, or in 3 months, 800,000 Tutsis and moderate Hutus. Burundi, Sa, Sierra Leone, Ecomogue, Koye Biara, Sani Kohono, Yakukumi Panwa. Afi, Obiara, we are African leader. Now, external for no who say, we will be office of Africa, boom, now we'll go Africa. You so kind beer so many or buy beer when you your friend is saying call no G7 G8 no we will lead the woman no or yes or challenge and also you be or soon boom or person Africa boom a kind beer so near better you'll be a friend no R2P responsibility to protect but you trying to short say R2P I don't know capital not 2 and kasa ye figure a shame na p responsibility to protect you Kofi Annan in the 2000 na the HN say so mine be cold war and I say ethnic conflict BC near na human rights of civilians are abused international community no who kwang say oji tankrofo 317. So they have the responsibility to protect. Ye fasa kwai no so etimi leaders no efiri ho. Titi no de yentimi Kwame Nkrumah de ya na yi ku ene yi no ko. Libyan president afie bia the 15 post states like OAU summit. Ene EU no. Libya Gaddafi and I'm saying so responsibility to protect any Congo. And the external factors, you know, a doso na bribia, your leaders, you know, they are in bed with external leaders. Into William he na Okoka.
And the young is saying na external factors me who said doso and some so
and some of pa.
Edward I know better also.
Mati.
We metro sa.
The GD say what prepare BB to my account to me. Yes, sir. The media man in a bomb and every 3.
I come. Make a Dr. Kwame Adokufo. I'll say up the way I walk as an also by the way Okasanopa. It's Dr. J. Nyame ya adoma adwada ye beto aso free. Wonam he koka external factors no.
Yo, me that say.
Dr. Kinsley J, a senior lecturer at University of Cape Coast. And I'll tell you no a bon common. Now Shana Suma Mr. DBS roofing sheets and a Franco Trading Enterprise. So them so senior. Yere fabe also ebrewe ne anope me dane me ho aba besan ba na ya to ye boase ne ye de